Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some speed decluttering. Ever since post-wedding and getting back from the honeymoon, my life has felt a little chaotic and a few places of my home have been completely out of order, so I wanted to get those back into shape today. And I'm also partnering with Poshmark to show you how you can clean out your closet and sell your old clothes for cash. So let's go ahead and get into it. So starting with the closet, as you can see, it's a slight chaotic mess. I actually just did a whole dedicated closet decluttering video. I will link that up in the corner. This is more of a touch-up. There's been a few pieces recently that I put on and I'm like, I'm not happy with these. So I just wanted to go through and kind of pull those pieces out. That's my cute honeymooner shirt. I love it. Anyway, I wanted to pull the pieces out that I haven't been loving and just organize it. I know I had a bunch of like random hangers in the mix and it just was a mess every time I opened it. The up top shelf was a mess and the shoes were a mess. So I just wanted to go through it, and I also wanted to go through my t-shirts drawer, so that is what you can see me doing here. I'm pulling all of them out. This was more of like a typical declutter where I pull everything out, hold it, see how it makes me feel, all that good stuff. But the closet was more of just like a touch-up since I had just done it. And I actually got rid of a good few shirts, which made some more room in my drawer, and just moved some shirts to some other places as well. Some needed to be hung up, some needed to go to Bradley's drawer, all that kind of stuff. So I am just folding, getting rid of shirts. A lot of these I should still get rid of, but they're so soft. I also have some bride things to sell. I am no longer a bride, which is devastating, but it's fine. So I want to pass on my bridal things to other people. So I'm just refolding my shirts, putting them back in the drawer, and then I tried on some of the shirts that I was debating getting rid of, and I put the ones I decided to keep back and just organized the closet, and I put all the hangers back from all the clothes I got rid of, and then I'm going to take everything down from the top shelf, another bridal thing that tote says I'm totes getting married. It's really cute. So I'm just taking everything down and I'm going through my little thing of extra bags. I don't actually, compared to most girls, I don't have that many handbags, but I do have like a lot of little wallets and purses that I love and just things I like to switch out from time to time. And I've been keeping them in this bin, but I actually switched things up a bit. So I am just going through all of my extra bags, all my extra wallets. I have like some little pouches in there, just a bunch of different things. I'm getting rid of bags I never use and keeping the ones I love, of course. And after that, this is the overview of the closet. I used those pink boxes up ahead to store some of the small bags. Then I'm going to take pictures of the clothing items I'm going to sell on Poshmark, and I like to just hang it on this little hook on the back of my door, and I like to take pictures of the front of the item, the tag, the pattern, and the back. I like to give the buyer as many perspectives as possible because when I'm shopping on Poshmark, that's what I like as well. Just as many detail photos as possible if anything's wrong with it, but then I'm going to open my app.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing.
I just wanted you to know I was listening to Breathin' by Ariana Grande, the best song ever. But I'm opening up my Poshmark app. Nope, not the view we wanted. And I'm just going to start listing my items. They make it super simple. I like to find a stock photo from the website if the item I'm selling is still up for grabs, just to give people an idea of what it looks like on. And it just makes the listing look cuter in my opinion. I also don't add any filters to the photos because I think that I like to make it as like color specific as I can. And then from there, it's just really super simple and easy. You just list the size, the color, where it's from, is it new with tags, the original price, the listing price, and then you can see there at the bottom how much you'll make if you sell it. So it's amazing. And if you guys want to download Poshmark, I have my link in the description box and you guys can also go shop my closet. So yeah, if you create a closet, be sure to leave your closet name down below so I can check them out. But yeah, after that, the closet makeover is better. It looks so much nicer. I love the new organization on top and everything is in order. So we're going to move on to this little cabinet right outside of our bathroom. And on the first shelf, we keep toilet paper and paper towels. We like to buy them at Costco, and I'm very thankful we have this shelf that we just keep them all on. And then this middle row shelf, I have a few bins that keep some products. So the first one is my backup hair care products and like my hair care electronics, like my curling iron and my blow dryer. I made that way too complicated. So I'm just going through this, getting rid of products I know I'll never use and just reorganizing it and then putting it back. Then the next bin is full of my laundry stuff. So it's really easy to just pull this out whenever we're doing laundry. I have my mesh bags, my detergents, my little deodorizer thingies. So I'm just reorganizing that. And then I have this third bin, which is still kind of a mess, but it just kind of has to be a mess, but it's full of like cleaning backup attachments for vacuums and stuff like that. And then the bottom shelf is kind of like our medicine cabinet. We keep our medicines. You can see my essential oils. This little tray I'm working on is like backup oral hygiene. We have our sunscreens, coconut oil, hydrogen peroxide. It's kind of like our huge medicine cabinet. So I'm going through the medicine bin right now, just checking the expiration dates on all the medicines we have. My favorite medicine is that Walgreens brand extra strength gas relief right there. That stuff works like a charm, let me tell you. But I'm just reorganizing that, and then I'm going to work on my oils. I do want to get some sort of like stacking situation so I can see them better, but for now I kind of know like which ones are where. So I'm just reorganizing that. I'm cleaning out the little bin because it was pretty dusty, because I do use my oils quite a bit. So I'm just reorganizing them in the way that I like. I kind of have my own system now in my head, and I'm trying to stick to that. So just putting all the oils back. I'm trying to keep all the Vitality ones together, all the backup unopened ones in the back, and just trying to keep some order to the chaos. But then I'm moving on to my cleaning products. I keep well, we have more cleaning products underneath the kitchen sink, but these are kind of like the bathroom cleaning products. So I just have any backup ones in the back there, and then I have the 3 most used ones towards the front, and then that's it. It looks so much better. It got pretty chaotic, especially on like the bottom shelf, but I also feel good about the amount of hair products I got rid of. So yeah, we have all the little bins, and then all the oils and medicine and cleaning products, and everything looks pretty damn good. So after that, we are going to move on to the pantry, and I think out of these 3 areas in my home, this one needed it the most. It got so out of hand. And I'm just doing the same thing. I'm looking at expiration dates, making sure everything is still good, and whatever's not good I will throw out. And I'm just trying to, it's also a good way to like see what you have on hand to see what you should be using. I also tried to put these dried cranberries in this mason jar, but I spilled them everywhere. So just pretend that's not happening. But I do like to keep things like nuts and pastas in jars, just because it makes it look cleaner. You can see what's in it. And I'm cleaning out the potato bowl right now. And then we have our cereal. So that top row is like breakfast items / nuts / potatoes. I don't know. Me and Bradley have order to this pantry. It just always gets out of order. So I redid it. I showed him the organization. So it should be good for the next month or 2 until it gets out of control again. And then I have to do this again. And I also did a dedicated pantry declutter video. I will link that up in the corner if you want to see. But I'm just going through the jars, making sure, I got thirsty, making sure everything is still in date, and just reorganizing to make things easier on myself and for Bradley when we're cooking. And I do love this pantry space that we have. I mean, technically we have a pantry in the back there, but we use that for pans and pot storage because none of our cabinets are deep enough. But I'm very thankful we have like this amazing row of shelves that I can just keep pretty much all of our food items in. And we love it. And I got these new like OXO jars for the wedding, which I am going to do a wedding gift haul that will be up soonish in life. But yeah, I'm working on the 3rd shelf, which tends to be like the sweets / baking shelf. So I am just putting everything back. Again, checking dates, so on and so forth. Then I'm moving on to the bottom, or not the bottom, the second to last shelf, which is usually like the snacks and then the bread type items. I have some Red Lobster biscuits there in those boxes, hallelujah. And then the bottom shelf is cookbooks and some more jars and tins. And then I'm just cleaning the outside, and then it is all fresh and fabulous. And every time I've opened it since I've done this, I'm so happy with myself that I did it because it's life-changing. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this life declutter video. If you want to see more, just give it a thumbs up. Thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring. I again will have the link down below so you can sign up and sell things yourself. And I love you guys. I'll see you very soon in a new video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.